Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest in beverage reviews. Today, we're diving into what's touted as the best Kumbaca drink available in the market. If you're a fan of refreshing beverages that pack a punch of flavor, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Kumbaca, a fusion of kombucha and acai berry, has taken the health and wellness scene by storm. This particular brand promises a unique blend that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also offers potential health benefits. What sets this Kumbaca apart is its carefully selected ingredients. Combining the probiotic richness of kombucha with the antioxidant powerhouse of acai, each sip is not just a drink but a step towards a healthier you. It's packed with vitamins and minerals, making it a great choice for those looking to boost their immune system and improve gut health. Now, let's talk about the most important aspect: the taste. This Kumbaca boasts a balanced flavor profile. You get the tanginess from the kombucha that's complemented perfectly by the sweetness of acai. It's not overly sweet nor too sour, striking that delicate equilibrium that makes it enjoyable for any palate. Taking a look at the packaging, it's evident that a lot of thought has gone into making this product stand out on the shelves. The bottle design is sleek and modern, with vibrant colors that reflect the energy and vitality this drink promises. You might be wondering where you can get your hands on this refreshing beverage. It's readily available online and in select health food stores, making it accessible for anyone interested in trying out the latest in wellness drinks. As for pricing, it's competitively priced considering the quality and benefits it offers. In conclusion, if you're on the lookout for a beverage that not only tastes great but also supports your overall well-being, this Kumbaca drink deserves a spot in your fridge. Its unique blend of kombucha and acai delivers on flavor and health benefits, making it a standout in the crowded beverage market. That wraps up our review of the best Kumbaca drink available today. If you've tried it yourself, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay healthy. This is Product Critique, signing off.